Hi guys and welcome to Foodies. In this video we'll be making the ultimate brownie. We add 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate to a saucepan and we leave it to melt on low heat. We mix 3 eggs and 200 grams of brown sugar for 2 minutes. By now, both chocolate and butter should be melted, so we add them to the mixture. We whisk again for another 2 minutes. To enhance the chocolate flavor, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to 3 tablespoons of water and add it to the bowl. Then our 100 grams of flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, and of course a pinch of salt. We give it a good mix. We add our chocolate chips to a separate bowl and we add 1 tablespoon of flour. We make sure that all of them are well coated before adding them to the mixture. We mix it all for 1 minute. We pour it all to the oven dish and we even it out. We bake on 180 degrees for 20 minutes. We leave the brownie to cool down for 30 minutes in the freezer. We now move on to the second layer. We mix in a bowl our caramel pot with 150 grams of roasted hazelnuts. We pour it on top of the first layer and we even it out. This will add a really nice crunch to the brownie. We put it back in the freezer for a further 30 minutes and we start making the last layer. We mix 250 grams of cream cheese and 100 grams of granulated sugar. We give it a quick mix before adding the 2 eggs. We add few drops of vanilla extract and vanilla paste. To thicken it up, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. We pour it on top of the second layer and we make sure all corners are well covered. That goes in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. This type of brownie needs to chill in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours, and for better results, leave it overnight. We decorate it with cocoa powder. For a nice clean cut, we remove the edges. This brownie was definitely worth the wait. I hope you guys will try it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon with another recipe.